Hello, good afternoon, welcome to your Let's Cars YouTube channel. I'll see you presenting a short video presentation of this beautiful 435 Grand Coupe we have in. Presented in carbon black metallic. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as some of the aesthetic styling upgrades that we've carried out in-house. Let's take a look around. Carbon black metallic, absolutely gorgeous colour. Perfect day for it. As you can see how striking it looks. Very common question we get asked is it actually black? It does look black in the dark. In the bright daylight, when it's clean like this, it does have a blue tint to it. Originally E46 colour on the M3, and then BMW reintroduced it for the 4 Series Grand Coupe. Gloss black styling kit, as always, three-piece front splitter, xenon headlights to the front and rear parking sensors, 19-inch gloss black 405M style wheels, privacy glass on the rear, and performance decals, rear spoiler and rear diffuser. This was a vehicle that we previously sold a couple of years ago. 3 in a car, first owner was a company owner, that's where it did most of its miles. Electric tailgate, reverse parking sensors as well. Got the original BMW boot liner, they're sort of around about £150, a nice extra there. Isofix rear bench, 3-seat configuration with central armrest as well. 8-speed gearbox. If you don't know much about these 435s, they're a 3-litre twin turbo 4-wheel drive. The 8-speed transmission just adds to that awesome setup. Really frugal. Great on fuel as well, around 50 miles per gallon if driven correctly, and 300 brake horsepower. Electric windows, electric mirrors. You've got the M Sport blue trim going dash there. Professional widescreen navigation system. This car has covered 89,000 miles, as you see there. Multifunction steering wheel and cruise control. Automatic headlights. Heated front seats. Let's take a look at the service history for you. Full BMW right the way through, which is testament. Why it drives so well. Next oil change is due in 14,000 miles. Mechanically inspected, fully detailed, MOT'd and ready to go. HP available up to 5 years. Part exchange is very welcome. You can apply for finance through our website. You can call, WhatsApp or text to get in touch. Thanks very much for watching. Keep safe. Thank you.